holidays, everybody. If you're watching this video, it means it's probably a week or a couple days after your Christmas. I want to say thank you guys for the support over this year. We definitely smashed a lot of personal goals, and I cannot wait for a lot of these 3D printing projects that I've been working on to come out. So, with that being said, I'm really excited for today's video because it has nothing to do with 𝕰𝕦𝕣𝕜, but it has everything to do with mechs, especially Neon Evangelion. That's right. So, I thought, I got into Magic recently, and I also found out about a game called Battle Spirits. And with all the awesome, Neon Evangelion themed products that I've been 3D printing, like this figure, I printed this piece by piece. Like everything comes apart, the legs has a little bit of mobility to it. It was all gray. I custom painted it. There's still some more painting to do, but I'm really proud of how this came out. I didn't have to go pay $100. I printed about $6-7, maybe less of that worth of filament. But today's video is pretty badass because it does have to do with Evangelion, right? And so in honor of Neon Evangelion, I actually saw this while I was out and about, and I saw a Battle Spirits Neon Evangelion starter deck. So we're gonna actually unbox it right now. I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with, and we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys, hey, is this worth it? Also, real quick, PSA, BS, it means Battle Spirits. That's the Japanese version of this card game, but Battle Spirits Saga is the American version. You're welcome, I saved you a headache. Let's check this out. So a better look at it, this is the Destined Assault Battle Spirits Saga starter deck. It does come with all the cores that you need, I believe a playing mat, and your cards. So let's take a look at everything that it has. I'm pretty stoked to finally take a look at these. I've been waiting like all week. So I think that's everything. So nice. All right, so this is actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check this out. So this is the playing mat that you get in this box. It pretty much also shows you the instructions and everything. Has a QR code, so if you need to learn. I'm going to be looking over this myself because I really am interested in this. It reminds me a lot of Duel Masters, and I get a little bit of a 𝕬𝕬𝕒𝕒𝕒 vibe. But dudes, check this out. This is the playing mat for the Neon Evangelion. It's the EVA Field. Honestly, I think it's pretty badass. Yes, there's a glare in my, with the camera, but dude, this is sick. I wish I could find a rolled up kind of version of this because this is dope. It's the purple and green, man. Purple and green, I get it, So taking a look at it, you get a little promotion pack, which is pretty cool because even I don't know what card this is. Nobody knows. But opening this, it looks like you get a soul core, which is what this single piece is called, and then you get a couple of basic cores, which is what these little purple things are. So I think you use these in order to kind of like excel, because like I said, guys, I'm making this video because one, it's Neon Evangelion. I want to get you guys excited like I am too, but I'm making this video because I believe in personal growth, and I'm stoked to kind of watch this in like 6 months or a year from now and like look at how far my journey with this and Magic the Gathering has come. So the soul cores look pretty damn dope. They got this nice clear purple look to them, and then we have this over here. So I believe this is the, oh yeah, no, these are just your cores right here, these purple ones, and then this is your soul core. Pretty fire. I wonder if they are gonna fit. Here is a better look at the pack. I like that first card you get. It's the Even One Operation Yashima. And now the cool thing with Battle Spirits Saga, like I said, BSS is the English version, BS is the original. You're gonna see more like custom creatures, artwork and stuff from the actual people who designed this game. But there's certain collab cards that I'm learning about, and I kind of aim to collect them all. I'm really stoked for this deck. I hope that they definitely make another EVA, maybe with the EVA 2, EVA 3. Bro, I would buy like 3 Mark 6 decks. Also, very much appreciating the back of these BSS cards. They look pretty red. So going through it, looks like we have, nice, we got 2 of these. Good. Sweet, so I'm gonna go ahead and set these out over here. These look pretty cool, definitely. Alright, cool. We got some EVA 2 units. We got the Engagement Complete cards. Definitely stock. I've seen a lot of these. Okay. Berserk mode. Fire. The attack. Alright. Looks good. Evangelion test type. Okay, cool. So as you guys see, definitely lots of cards. Oh, that's sick. I'm hoping, oh, that's pretty cool. The test type, nice. I definitely want to get the real grade of this kit, so that way we can go ahead and build it. But it's looking pretty good so far. And just here, let me go ahead and go back through these now that we got a better camera angle. That's pretty cool. I'm really loving the artwork. So one thing I want to mention about this is these are also custom cards, but you can find the Battle Spirit Saga card. So for example, these are, I'm pretty sure there's another card out there that has a different name, but it has the same effects, it has the same thing, but maybe just entirely different artwork, so custom. But again, that's the fun of why there are these kinds of, these kinds of cards. They kind of draw your attention, just like me. They're getting me into Battle Spirit Saga just by doing robots, so it's pretty sick. Shinji's Decision. I actually have some of these in my cart because it's my link. Right on. All right, cool. So that's our B.S.S deck. Pretty stoked with that. Gonna go ahead and put this in a sleeve real quick. Cool. Right on, bro. This looks dope. I gotta print an EVA card case. But yeah, man, these look pretty cool. Definitely really dope. I can't wait to start learning how to play. I'm loving the artwork. Plus, I got my custom double riser card sleeves. I don't have enough for this whole deck, sad face. But let's have fun. Let's see something together. So my promotional card. God, I hope it's an EVA 6. Lord, it's a Gundam. Cannot get this bastard open. Alright, there we go. Have a little bit of a wide pull. And the secret card is Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh shit! It's the EVA 2, but it's in a holographic. So I think it is. Yeah, it's our secondary card. Cool. That's not bad. So we pulled 3 holos out of this. That's pretty dope. See, they make solos. They make, I think it's Chaos of Awakening, which is another booster box that they sell. There's even a, Lord, I gotta find out the names. I'll definitely put it in editing, but I think it's like the Force of something. But there's a certain collab kit to where it's a booster box and it's the regular Battle Spirit Saga cards, but in every booster box that's $14, you get 1 guaranteed Gundam collab card. So you have a chance to get Barbatos 4th Form, Exia, Freedom Strike, Unicorn, and I definitely am missing another one. I definitely think it's like another version of the Strike, but forgive me, I don't know everything, but I look forward to kind of looking back on this journey, learning how to play. I'm definitely going to join the Battle Spirit Saga Discord, get up in there, and get more starter decks. So, guys, definitely looking forward to this. Get yourself one. Let me know what you think. If you've already been playing this and you know how this deck plays, dude, feel free to leave all kinds of comments, tips and tricks, like what should a brother do. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys again for another awesome year. This is the Destined Soul Boxing. Peace.